The decision was made, in mid-March, kind of around the same time that all the other major universities were making that decision. We really didn't have any time to prepare necessarily for what was going to happen with the rest of the spring semester. So we had already had, Zoom in place. So we basically just made the transition from on-ground classes to online classes utilizing Zoom. We wanted to put something in place that would be almost a turnkey solution for faculty members. They're already familiar with using some of the other components of the technology, so we wanted to keep things as transparent as possible, and I think we really did achieve that. There was a really, not much of a learning curve for them walking into the classroom and being able to just turn on the system and sign on to their Zoom call. The technology behind the scenes just works the way it's supposed to work, and they don't have any issues. So we came up with a solution of using the model Panasonic camera that we ended up going with, and being able to run a piece of Panasonic software on the PCs and just really make it super easy to connect. I was honestly very shocked at how easy it was to get up and running. That has not been my experience with cameras from other manufacturers in the past, so it was just really the perfect solution for us. I think one of the benefits that has come out of this situation now is that they understand how integral it is to have the ability to have students be on ground and off site, and have this EduFlex type environment where you can mix and match the two. It provides a new way of learning that I think some students are really looking for, especially nowadays where higher education is expanding into adults looking for graduate degrees that have busy schedules, and they want to have the flexibility to maybe come to class one day but take a lecture online the next, or a mixed approach to it. So I think absolutely the systems are going to be utilized moving forward, and I think it just gives Pepperdine the ability to provide new ways of getting their content to the students.